Look at my empty table. Well, that can only mean one thing, a shopping trip to the Dollar Tree. I found so much stuff. I can't wait to share it with you, not just in the toys and tons of things for Valentine's Day. And you know, when I look for things, even though it's for Valentine's Day, I know I could get these things, I can decoupage them and use them for other occasions. I went down their glassware aisle. I saw lots of nice things there and their kitchenware as well. Vippy's Designs, our napkin company, is pulling out all the stops. Wait till you see all the new napkins they have and some of their new products. I'm so excited to share these things with you. Before I show you all the fun stuff I got at the Dollar Tree, I just want to give you a quick reminder of exactly what decoupage is. Decoupage is merely adhering fancy papers like napkins to objects. In this case, I'm using a jar I took out of my recycling. I used decoupage glue, Mod Podge, and a beautiful napkin to create this really pretty decor. I also like to shop in the Dollar Tree and look for things there that I can decoupage, like this foam heart that I was able to transform into this beautiful heart wreath to hang in the home. If you like these kinds of projects, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Give me a thumbs up. Now, let's head off to see what I got. I'm going to start with a few of the signs I bought at the Dollar Tree. And you know, I like to use the backs of the signs too, so I may not necessarily hang that up. Window clings, I was kind of disappointed. That was the only one that I found. It's very pretty. I like this one. It's a nice long piece of MDF that we can do lots of things with. And it was cute. Pucker up, buttercup. So I got one of those. Now this, I don't know what happened. They had a bunch of these, but you know, I managed to take one where the little open close thing was upside down. Okay, on to the next bag. And these are some more fun Valentine's Day things. This is like a crafty item. They're made out of wood and they say love, and I'm sure there are things we can make with them. This is beautiful. I found two different kinds of lace ribbon with two different types of hearts on it. Then I found these and I thought, wow, two things for $1 because you get the little canvas and an easel. They had plenty of these little types of wooden hearts. I like the ones that had the little heart-shaped opening in them. These were ones that you hang up. They're all connected. They had different ones besides love. We can definitely cut those apart. This is a wind chime, but that's wood, so we can change that with decoupage. Here's another one of those hearts. This is a more narrow one compared to the other one. And then they had these doorknob hangers. Look at the bells. They're heart-shaped. They're so cute. I'm going to use them for the project, but I don't think I'm going to use them for Valentine's Day. So pretty. I love them. I got a couple of them. These are little canvas bags, and I think that we can decoupage on top of those. That would be fun. And these I got for home. Those are some little silicone molds, and we have a project just for our own home. And I just found these. I've never seen these before. These are pearls, and they come in several different colors. And these ribbons, and the ribbons have hearts on them. They're so pretty. We can use them for other things. Okay, next bag. All right, so here's a few things that I found. I actually found these a while ago. That's galvanized, supposed to look like a letter. And then they had small ones like this, and that one actually has a pocket. Now, this is something new, and they had many different ones besides this one that said love. And these came out last year, but I noticed they had them this year as well. On to my next bag. So let's take a look and see. If you see these with the frame like that, grab them. I have lots of different projects we can do, so it doesn't matter what they say. We're going to cover them. They had longer planks that you can hang. Again, great decoupage item. These are rub-ons, and it's gold. I'm curious to know what that's going to look like. These are a cutting mat, and it's a great size because it doesn't take up a lot of room on my crafting table. And that's another one of those little easels. Let's see. This is a little wooden box, and I actually got this to decorate and give it to Art. Art plays guitars, and it's like the perfect size for him to put his guitar picks into. These are new. I've never seen them before. They're like these giant light bulbs, and I imagine you could put a plant or some type of arrangement inside, and they do stand up. And here's another one that's round. I don't recall them having them in plastic before. And this is a glue gun. Glue gun costs $1, and I bought it a while ago. It does work really well, but however, it does leak, but it is $1. Okay, some little home things I bought. Notebooks. We go through those pretty quickly, so I normally pick a bunch up. And these, I have a little project for them, 3 for $1. That to me kind of reminded me of a spell book, maybe something we could do around Halloween. This is an electric pencil sharpener. What? And it's heavy. I did have to buy pencils though. I have no pencils like this at home, but I want to give it a try. They had some beautiful glassware, and I have a project. This is going to be during the summer. We're actually going to use some decoupage techniques on them. I found some candles, and I was really attracted to the color of the glass, but the fragrance was actually kind of nice in these candles. And they had some pretty jars like this, so I grabbed one of those, not just for Valentine's Day. These, we can do with them. We can paint them and decoupage. Now, their new bags are reusable, I think they said 100 times, and they're also hand washable, so that's pretty nice. Use them over and over again. Some shelf lining, I got this actually as for a project for home. Again, home stuff too. This is a project. I bought these actually for something I'm going to be doing in the fall. I'm thinking ahead. We can always use these things at home. So another little home thing I bought. Butter dish, that's a project, but wait till you see what we're going to do with that. Then we found this. We were laughing because what do you pick up with a ladle that flat? I don't know, but we had to buy it. We're going to find out something we can do. Now, scarves. I didn't buy these scarves just to wear. I actually bought them because they were $1 so that the cashier can wrap up some of my glassware with them. I stopped into the toy department and I picked up a few things there. One of the things I saw that I liked are these houses, and apparently you can snap these houses together and you can make a little neighborhood. And I've seen people transform these into gingerbread houses and haunted mansions, so definitely something you can craft with. These are little dog toys, and I collect dog toys. I have dogs, love dogs. This $1, come on, that holds earbuds. Look how nice that is. I love that cat with the glasses. Cookie Monster, always my favorite Sesame Street character since I was a child, so I had to grab that. I thought this was very interesting. It's a unicorn. It's just the head. It has a beautiful mane, rainbow colors, and I think that can definitely be transformed, and maybe with some paint and decoupage. Now, this next item I was absolutely intrigued by. I never saw them before. I couldn't decide whether I loved it or hated it, but I had to buy it. So it's a doll head, has long hair, comes with a brush. But Art, he's very clever, always thinking of these things. He goes, take the plant holder and put it over her head, and you can make like a crystal ball or maybe something for Halloween. Look how cute that is. He's so smart. All right, now on to Vippy's designs. Vippy's has been adding to their napkin collection like mad. I can't believe how many different designs they have now. And I do regular hauls for them. www.vippys.com. Go there and check out their newest things like these wood coasters. They also have the cork bottoms, but you can make them into little signs too. And there's the pretty napkin and their calendar pads. Don't forget, you can make things that are very useful too. Another new item is their wood bookmarks, and you can actually use scraps on those. And I took one of their pretty napkins and made a coaster so you can see what a coaster looks like. Okay, I could not wait to show you this. Now, they're supposed to look like little gumball machines and the little hearts that hold, favors and candy. I'm not really sure if candy comes out of those. Just so you know, I just bought them because I really love this idea. These are their little hearts that they sell. I guess like they scatter them on tables. And I put them inside the heart because I thought, oh, that would be really pretty. But I took this one step further. Why? Because my camera guy, Art, is so creative. He had these and he said, take some of these little balls, you pull the tab off and they light up and they sparkle all different colors. And he said, put them inside. Put the heart back onto, make sure you put enough of those things in. I found the more you put in, the better. Okay, screw the base back on and take a look at this. Look how pretty that is. You can put these out at definitely Valentine's Day. You can even do these things around Christmas. Look at that. I just kept shaking it up to get the little balls moving around in there. And with these little favor or candy holders, you can do exactly the same thing. put these little balls. You just pull the tab and they just light up. They are so cool. I love them. So sparkly and pretty. You could make those too. This is kind of my grand finale with these little balls, and I'm going to give you the link on where you can buy these little balls that light up, and it's going to be down there in descriptions in case this is something that you think you'd want to purchase. So much fun stuff from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to see me using some of these items in upcoming videos. You don't want to miss any of that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and don't forget to go over to my Facebook page where you can like and follow, and it goes right along with my channel.